This is so good.
You have more freedom, bro.
For real. Bro. This thing is real. I swear. This thing is real. Yeah, I tell you that. Be boss. Whoa. Woo. So now when I eat this, my eaters are dead. See, standing push. Oh. Bro, see man be now, you correct. This again, you come. Okay. Wow.
So your own is here. And this is what it's supposed to look like. So we'll do a side-by-side comparison.
Okay.
Now remember I talked about us checking the spine as a whole, not just where you're having pain.
Exactly.
You can see this is the lower back, or mid back and lower back. Nothing really much is going on there. When we look at it from this angle, straightness here. Now your own, we can see a tilt to the left side.
Yeah, I said it.
I said it. You talk.
I took on now. Don't bend small. Took on.
Talk and finish.
Team back.
So you see how if I put this hair straight, yeah, your own is deviating to the left. Now we'll move to the neck. Now the thing with the neck is the curve is here. Your own is supposed to be here. So it's what we call an anterior head carriage. Also, you see there's a small opening here.
Yeah.
You can see how we can see your own more. What's happening is that's the atlas. So the film is coming from this angle. You're supposed to see the opening is small.
Yeah.
But when the head is not on straight and it's tilted,
Okay.
then
You
see it's more.
Yeah.
So we have work to do, but honestly, if with the adjustments and you do the best you can with the health tips, you're still
You get
young.
it back, I mean.
Yeah, you'll definitely be okay. You just have to do your best to implement the health tips
I'll do it.
and keep up with the adjustments.
Shit. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh. Do it again.
We don't finish.
No finish that one. Whoa. Man.
So you thought you would cry, but
Oh, this is sweet too. Do more. Wow. Wow. The neck free one time. Wow. Wow. I go turn ambulance for you. Wow. God. Bro. Suppose call that award.
you go give me now.
I go give you.
You get 3 food, you that's me one.
We go talk about that one. No, this thing is wow. This thing is so good.
You have more freedom, bro.
For real. Next one. I said, I won't cry. I know myself.
It's not you again.
It's not me. See now. Hey, them jets. Bro. This thing is real. I swear. This thing is real. If I want to do, but this has to do. But I see now. How far now? Today play now.
What's your problem?
Them dead. Like this, yeah? Which one? What's that idea, Pisha? Wow. This is, you're a joy giver. You're a joy giver.
Stop. I do my work.
Wow.
Are you okay?
I feel good.
Your mother okay?
Very, very. You're a joy giver.
We usually do comedy skits.
Wow.
Never see anything. Why are your son? Face me this way.
Wow. You be boss. Forget. Make them live on for you.
Leave on for me.
Make them live on for you.
Everyone.
Everybody.
I need help now. I go just.
Oh, you don't get up like this.
Come close to me.
Oh.
Face this way. Come on, face me this way.
Ah. You are good. Alisa.
You don't whisper.
Oh, where have you been? Man. People like say they lose my body. Like my body just the stretch. Wow. Dude.
You said you will give me an award, Abby.
You go call
At
it
the
award.
end, if I don't want phone, I want car or land documents.
That document. You go call it award.
I don't want award.
Now the document says award. Wow. Bro. Oh. Yeah. You don't finish on him. Woo! Il est dit combien? Like, comme là, c'est trop moins. Bro!
Don't talk, finish. You're taller than me, though.
Bro.
How are you taller than me now?
Bro.
Don't talk.
No, this, I be thinking, see all those people they do and say they do they.
Oh, we never finish.
God. Yeah. Now this one enter past. This one go everywhere. Yeah. But sweet. You go everywhere, go everywhere. Wow. You go. See now. See. Gymnastic. Bro, see. 12. Bro. So now very nice with this. Wow.
If I chop one and 2 land documents,
You go collect them. Come on. I still need to do one more.
One more.
That one already enter. Do cram.
Down more.
You don't finish, oh.
Come to this one.
My haters are dead.
Your haters are good.
They are dead. See, standing push.
You sit here.
Is that neck on?
Like
Is that one they used to shout?
now you go. Shout, jump out window. Don't fall my hand.
Okay, people they shout.
No.
People know they shout. But people they see they really shout. That woman shouts, they go for flow. That man does say she no go shout, she don't make mouth. Me, I no go shout.
Is it not you?
Trust me.
I go do this one first and then the other one.
Okay. Oh. Oh. Yeah.
Should you head down?
Oh. Yes. Ah. Don't sit like that. Hey. Now this one is stress person neck.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Don't move your leg.
Okay.
Bring your hand to your chest.
Oh! My name go up. Amazing.
I have to speak English again.
Amazing. Amazing.
Amazing. Nah, amazing. You don't talk amazing.
Amazing. Bro, see man be now. You correct. This again, why you come?
Like, come. Woo! Come.
Ah, one more like, ah, like, bro.
Anything you want to do, you go do.
If free, person if they do this every week.
No, every day, every hour.
Every day.
Every hour.